Over the past few years, AI tools have become very powerful, and they still continue to get even more powerful every single day. Now, what if I told you that there are some outstanding AI tools that can change your life forever and also has the potential of making you rich? In this video, I'll be revealing 7 of the most amazing AI tools that can earn you thousands of dollars only if you start using them right now. These tools can also help you start, grow, or optimize your business in order to make more money with less work. So subscribe and let's dive right in. The first AI tool on this list is Leonardo AI. Now, making money with art is a very lucrative venture that can bring in lots of money into your pocket, but there is a problem. The problem is not everyone knows how to draw or has the talent or ability to create a very nice art. To create an artwork takes a lot of time, and you also have to get design, shading, coloring, and many other art concepts, right? Before you can create an artwork that people will appreciate, even if you have the skills, creating an artwork is a process that takes a lot of time and intense hard work. Also, if you accidentally make a mistake in the process, then you would have to start all over again. And that can be a very daunting task. But with Leonardo AI, all this frustrating job can be done for you within a few minutes. Leonardo AI is a very powerful AI image generator, which can generate almost anything from animal art to beautiful landscapes and almost anything you can think of, all within just a few seconds. The results given to you are of super high quality and are even better than what most artists will come up with if given even a week. Now, the question is, how can we make money with this AI tool? It's pretty simple. You can generate a lot of these images and list them on a site called Etsy. In fact, this seller has made over $3 million just by selling these types of artworks, and you can do the same thing and do it even much better since you'll be using AI. So hurry up and jump on this train before you get left behind. Now, in recent times, online businesses and stores have become super popular, and almost everyone nowadays shops on the internet, all through websites like eBay and Amazon. This leads us to our next AI tool, which is TenWeb.io. You see, building websites has never been easier than it is today. Back in the days before you could develop a website, you would have to learn multiple coding languages and also be proficient in each of them. You would also have to learn web design, how to structure the website, and everything else all by yourself, and also write thousands of lines of code before you could complete even a basic informational website. This process could take weeks and months of hard work and stress, from making mistakes in the codes and trying to correct them. If you've ever written a code, then you would know that it takes lots of trials and fixing errors in order to run the code. This made building websites very expensive, but then came website builders like Wix and WordPress. These web builders made creating websites somehow easy, but even though they were easy to use, it still took a lot of time. Of course, you can just drag and drop elements, but you would still have to get the design, page structure, coloring, and everything else right. It even takes time to learn how to use these website builders. All I want you to know is that creating websites has never been easy until now, all thanks to TenWeb.io. This is an AI website builder that just asks you a few questions about what you want your website to be about, how you want it to look, and within a few clicks, you will be presented with a professionally looking and aesthetically pleasing website. It will design, add images, write all the copy, and also create different sections and pages, all without you touching a single line of code. Now, you can make money with this AI tool by selling the websites you create. Many people are paying freelancers huge sums of money to get their websites built for them. But with this AI tool, you can overtake them and make even more money. Also, since you will be using AI, you can complete multiple orders in a very short amount of time than your competitors. And that will make people always love your services and recommend you to their friends and business partners. If you have been watching YouTube or any other social media platforms, then I'm sure you will know that we are in an era where short form content is ruling. Why is this so? Well, over the past few years, the attention span of people has become shorter and shorter, and this has led to short form content blowing up massively. But creating viral short form content takes a lot of skill and lots of research to come up with an idea, create, and edit it. And that is where our next AI tool, Opus Clips, comes into the scene. You see, Opus Clips has made creating viral short-form content super easy and less time-consuming with its amazing and mind-blowing features. Opus Clips is an AI tool that takes any long-form video, and by just clicking a button, it transforms the long-form video into multiple high-quality shorts. The most amazing feature of this tool is that the AI is able to detect the hook of the video and also some relevant highlights, and then piece them together in order to make high-quality short-form videos, which are guaranteed to go viral. Opus Clips does not only help you to make shorts much faster, but it also helps you to save money that you would have spent on hiring an editor. So now that we know what Opus Clips does, how can we use it in order to make more money? Well, short form videos are blowing up and thousands of people are making huge money from them. But you would say if there are thousands of people, then that makes it saturated, but that is not true. Short form keeps on revolutionizing every day, and new ideas and trends are coming up every time. So you can start a channel on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram and start posting these short videos in order to start making money. Or you can take services from people people and make high-quality shorts for them in return for money. This is something you can simply turn into a $10,000 per month business. So make sure to utilize this tool to your advantage and make as much money as possible, because as we all know, short-form content is not going anywhere. Friends, if you've made it this far into the video, then please consider clicking on the subscribe button and also like the video. Moving on, let's talk about our next AI tool, which is Tidio. This is an AI tool built to assist your customer support team or to replace them completely. This generally means it allows you to save money by hiring fewer staff, or it brings in more income to your business by providing a seamless customer experience on your website. And we know that happy customers equal more money. It is basically an AI-powered chatbot that does two things. It either replaces the lengthy and distracting frequently asked questions list on your website and answers customers' questions smoothly, which improves your store's conversion rate, because instead of filling your entire website with answers to frequently asked questions, you can rather give all of that information to Tidio's AI, and every time a customer needs information or has a question to ask, they'll just go to Tidio's AI and it will answer that question seamlessly. The second thing Tidio does is to improve your support team's responses. When someone in your support team answers a customer's question, it picks that answer and generates a much better response, which will make the customer feel valuable and still continue using your service. And when that happens, it means more money or revenue will be flowing into your pocket. Another great feature of Tidio is that whenever a customer asks a question which is beyond the knowledge scope of the AI, then it will automatically connect that customer to a human agent. But Tidio can answer almost 70% of the customer's questions, and that also means less stress for your customer support agents. And as I said earlier, the goal is to get more money by making your customers happy, and that is exactly what Tidio does for you. The next AI on this list is one that can save tons of time and is probably the most interesting one so far, and it's Microsoft CoPilot. CoPilot is a tool that consists of every product Microsoft has. So that means it can create Word documents, make and analyze Excel spreadsheets, all the way up to making fully designed PowerPoint presentations. It can transcribe notes during Microsoft Teams meetings and provide you with the key points mentioned in the team meeting. It can also perform other actions. So maybe you wanted to use the notes from the team meeting to create a PowerPoint presentation. CoPilot can do exactly that for you. This feature alone can save you thousands of hours, because we all know that creating professional PowerPoint presentation slides is not an easy thing to do. It also knows whatever has been scheduled in your calendar, and therefore it can prepare you for your upcoming meetings. It can reply to all your emails for you and also generate specific reports in Word documents based on your previous works. This AI tool is a perfect example of using AI to optimize your business in order to make more money. It's an AI tool that anybody can use, whether you are experienced or not. It also doesn't matter the type of occupation you are in. CoPilot can be useful to anybody, anywhere. It helps you to streamline your tasks with AI, increasing your productivity and freeing up time to focus on other money-making strategies. Boys and girls, the last AI tool on this list is called Syllabi. Syllabi is an AI-powered tool that streamlines the process of creating viral social media videos for businesses by assisting with ideation, content scheduling, outline and script generation, and even avatar-based video creation. It offers a systematic workflow tailored to various industries, along with features like an organizational content calendar and in-tool tutorials, making video marketing more accessible and efficient. So this AI tool has everything to make your content creation process swift and more enjoyable. It releases stress from you, as you would not have to spend countless hours researching for content ideas, scripting, and all of those time-consuming things. Syllabi can be used by businesses, marketers, sales agents, content creators, and professionals in various industries looking to create and run successful video marketing campaigns on social media. Its functionality is designed to support video content creation across a wide array of topics, making it versatile for different users. You can select your preferred style, tone, and script length, and Syllabi will generate a script that fits your specifications. So, if you are looking forward to jumping into the content creation train, then consider giving Syllabi a try. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are able to adopt these AI tools and incorporate them into your workflow or use them to start businesses, then I promise you that your revenue is going to skyrocket and you will be on your way to becoming rich. Remember, it's either you adapt to these AI tools or you sit back and watch yourself getting left behind. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.